हेलो फ्रेंड्स, केजी क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको द एलिंग प्लेनेट द ग्रीन मूवमेंट रोल बाय नानी पालकीवाला के क्वेश्चन आंसर के बारे में बताएंगे। क्वेश्चन: लोकेट द लाइंस इन द टेक्स्ट दैट सपोर्ट द टाइटल द एलिंग प्लेनेट। आंसर: ए, फर्स्ट, द अर्थ's vital sign to reveal a patient in decline health. Second, about 3 to 100 million other living species still languish unnamed in ignominious darkness. C, are we to leave our successor a scorched planet of advancing desert, impoverished landscape and ailing environment? Question 2. What does the notice the world most dangerous animal at a cage in the zoo at Lusaka, Zambia signify? Answer: in the zoo at Lusaka, Zambia, there is a cage where the notice reads the world's most dangerous animal. Inside the cage there is no animal but a mirror where you can see yourself. Thanks to the efforts of a number of agencies in different countries, a new awareness had dawned upon the most dangerous animal in the world. He has realized the wisdom of shifting from a system based on domination to one based on partnership. Question: how are the Earth's principal biological system being depleted? Answer: the Earth's principal biological system are being depleted due to this system reaching an unsustainable level. The productivity is being impaired in this point. Earth's biological system, fisheries, forest, grassland and cropland are being depleted rapidly. Forests are being cut for firewood. Dung, which is good fertilizer for farming, is burnt for light and cooking. Now the time is about to come when there will be left nothing to utilize in the life. Question: what does the author aver that the growth of world population is one of the strongest factors distorting the future of human society? The author agrees that the growth of world population is one of the strongest factors distorting the future of human society because it hampers development. The world population is growing at a very fast. It has reached above 6 billion. This problem has affected the future of human society. If population continues growing, fisheries collapse, forests disappear, grassland will become infertile, wastelands or cropland deteriorate, the rich became richer and poor became poorer in the society, which condemnable. More children do not more workers. The expectation of the people would die in their cottage unless the population is controlled. Question: laws are never respected nor enforced in India. Answer: to some extent, laws are never respected nor enforced in India. The concept to sustainable development are popularized by the World Commission on Environment and Development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the potential of future generations to meet their requirement. It is stripping the natural world of resources future generations would need. The concept of sustainable development was popularized in 1987 by the World Commission on Environment and Development. The Parliament Estimate Committee has highlighted the near catastrophic depletion of country's forests over the past 40 years. India is deteriorating its forest at the rate of 3.7 million acres a year. The Constitution of India has made laws but to no avail. People in India chop trees and skill build animals to fulfill their requirement. They blindly cut the trees without the fear of loss. They are not strictly enforced in our country. In every field of life, we try to break the rules without caring the future result. Laws are not easily respected by the people and people are lacking their responsibilities towards the law. But to make the nation prosper, our duty is to respect law. Question: are we to leave our successor a scorched planet of advancing deserts, impoverished landscape and an ailing environment? Answer: yes, we are to leave our successor a scorched planet of advancing deserts, impoverished landscape and an ailing environment. Less development and poverty are the major cases for such circumstances. The United Nations Conference on Human Resources has paid heed on dangers which the ecological system is facing at present. It is hoping, due to the early International Commission which dealt inter alia with the question of ecology and environment, was the Brundtland Commission, which led a distinguished Indian as one of its members, Mr. L.K. Jha. The first Brundtland report raised the question: are we to leave our successor scorched planet of advancing desert, impoverished landscape and ailing environment? The fourth principle of biological system: fisheries, forest, grassland, cropland, and they form the foundation of the global economic system. If they reach an unsustainable level, this productivity is being impaired. Biologists believe that about 3 to 100 million other living species still grieve feeble, unnamed, is despicable darkness. Question: we have not inherited this earth from our forefathers. We have borrowed it from our children. Answer: the statement "we have not inherited this earth from our forefathers, we have borrowed it from our children" it is said by Mr. Lester Brown. Of all the statements made by Margaret Thatcher during the years of her prime ministership, none has passed so decisively into the current point of English usage as her felicitous words: no generation has a freehold on this earth. All we have is a life tenancy with a full riparian lease. Question: the problems of overpopulation that directly affect your everyday life. Answer: the population of India is estimated to be 920 million today, more than the entire population of Africa and South America put together. Nobody is acquainted with the problematic condition. As per estimation, people in India would die for hunger in these cottages unless population control is not given topmost priority. We have begun to take a holistic view of the every basis of our existence. The emerging New World Vision has introduced the era of responsibility. It is our duty to protect our earth from being depleted. Otherwise, we shall have to give the answer to the future generation. The present world population is estimated at 5.7 billion. Every 4 days, the global population increases by 1 million. Illiterate people, especially those living in rural areas, are ignorant and superstitious. The ignorant people create economic and social difficulties due to their own action in the matter of overpopulation. They have believed about children that they would help in their old age. We are failing to find any alternative to control the overpopulation. So the problems of overpopulation that directly affect our everyday life. Thanks. Best of luck.